All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to set up the project files for this section where we're going to talk about the main menu. And the reason why we're going to integrate or include a project into this section is so you can get the full functionality of each menu. If we didn't add a project, if it was just, okay, let's go like this and this, you can see how a lot of these are highlighted out and you wouldn't even be able to utilize the tools. So what we're going to do first is let's go to add-ons. We talked about this in a previous video, and we're going to go to add-ons and then we're going to go to UI kits. And what we're going to do is we're going to download a UI kit that we're going to utilize for this project so that we can get the full functionality of our menus, okay, our main menu. So let's get the Apple Design Kit. So I'm going to click on Get the Kit. Okay, so design apps quickly and accurately by using Sketch, Photoshop, and XD templates, guides, and other resources. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the iOS, and we'll download for Adobe XD. Okay, I'm going to save that. And I will also include this in the course file. This is going to be lecture 16. It's called Setup Project Files, and you can find these files there as well. But this is another way to get the files, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this. Okay, and I'm going to agree. And I'm going to double click on the iOS 13 Adobe XD, production templates, and then we have UI templates. Let's see, let me expand this for a second so I can see all the verbiage here. So what we'll do is we'll just grab the, let's get the UI elements, and we'll do UI elements, design templates, guides for iPad, okay? So I'll open that up. Okay, we'll give it a second here to load. Okay, we'll let that load. Now, normally what I do is I'll save this to the desktop. Okay, so we can still do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to do File, Save As, and we'll save it to the computer, and I'm going to save it to the desktop, just so that we know where it is. So I'm going to choose, and then I'm going to save this, and it's going to be called UI Elements plus Design Templates plus Guides, and then iPad. And I'm going to hit Save. Give that a second to work. And if I minimize and close my Finder and this file here, and I minimize the web browser, now you can see it's right here, okay? So let's close out of XD for a second. Just close out of that. Close this, and I'm going to delete this real quick. Okay, and if I double click on this, it'll load up, and it's going to load the file right there. So this is the file we're going to be working off of for this entire section. And again, the reason behind this is so that we have full capabilities to utilize the menus, okay? So you'll notice here, once this works, okay, the only thing that doesn't work is save. So the reason we're using this is because you'll notice how in the menus, most of them are highlighted now. Some of them aren't because you need to do certain things in order to get the menu to highlight. So what we'll do is in the next couple videos, we're going to go over each file menu, not file, we're going to go over each menu one by one and learn and master the main menu of Adobe XD. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.